How does Shorea Robusta Gaertn help keep the face always beautiful? Beauty is about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about knowing and accepting who you are. Ellen DeGeneres. Today's youth are heavily affected by dark skin and experience a lot of anxiety. The mindset changes to such an extent that they hate themselves in an environment that does not benefit them despite the use of synthetic and natural products. By using natural products available in country drugstores, skin whitening this record will be a solution. What are the disease-fighting properties of Shorea Robusta Gaertn? Shorea Robusta Gaertn is widely used to treat skin problems like wrinkles, rashes, inflammation, itching, and chronic skin problems. It has the power to penetrate deep into the skin and remove the bad germs from the skin. Shorea Robusta Gaertn provides good moisture to the body and gives the body a cool, smooth appearance and whitening. How to make a face pack with the Shorea Robusta Gaertn powder. Put Shorea Robusta Gaertn in the mix and grind. Put this ground powder in a sieve and take it out. Take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of Shorea Robusta gardenia, 1 tablespoon of pure coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Beat this well in a mixer and mix well till it becomes creamy. Now it will turn into a butter shape. Then you can apply this butter to your face. What are the benefits of using this pack? Get a good solution for any facial problem in 30 days. You can feel the difference within 7 days of use. Fixes problems like cuts and breakouts and brightens the face with whiteness. Also, this pack provides moisture to the skin. Good for dull skin. It also works as natural medicine. Apply this pack. Before going to bed at night, apply this in the amount of 4 drops and apply lightly on your face. The next morning you can wash your face as usual. Tips. You can put this butter in a small bottle without touching it and keep it tightly closed in the fridge. We can use this for 30 days to 50 days. Not likely to spoil. How to make serum with Shorea Robusta Gaertn powder. Shorea Robusta Gaertn powder, add 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice and mix well. Apply the serum to the face. Wash your face after 15 minutes. What are the benefits of using this serum? The astringent and anti-inflammatory properties of Shorea Robusta Gaertn powder and cucumber juice when used in a serum penetrate the skin to remove germs and help keep the skin white. Time to use this serum. You can use this serum anytime. How to make a drink with Shorea Robusta Gaertn powder. Take equal amounts of mango and kiwi fruit and 1 tablespoon of Shorea Robusta Gaertn powder. Add ghee or buttermilk and mix well and drink. What are the benefits of using this drink? While using this extract not only reduces the body temperature but also helps in protecting the skin from various infections. Diseases are cured quickly and the face becomes white. Shorea Robusta Gaertn antimicrobial activity promotes the growth of strong and shiny mane. Mango contains many nutrients like vitamin C, and vitamin A and minerals like copper, potassium, and magnesium. This nutritional richness is something you should not only add to your summer diet but also add to your summer skincare routine. The vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant components found in kiwi have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that have been shown to promote healthy skin. As a result, the fruit is a good addition to your skincare routine. Time to use this drink. This drink can be used twice a day. How to overcome the disadvantages. Shorea Robusta Gaertn has no side effects in using, and you can consider the medical advice for the usage of this product during pregnancy. Lactating mothers should not overuse this powder. It has natural medicinal properties and can be used by people of any skin type. Beauty is an experience, nothing else. It is not a fixed pattern or an arrangement of features. It is something felt, a glow or a communicated sense of fineness. Thanks for watching this video.